Hello everyone, welcome to Quick Prints. Hope you all are doing great and learning well with the help of these tutorials. So as you can see that we are just uploading the previous video which has no sound, so we are converting with sound so that it could be helpful for everyone. So in this video you will get to know that how to convert that particular image or 3 to 4 color image into a print artwork where you can change the colors and all. So guys, if you have any question regarding the tutorial or the channel, you can simply type us in the comment section and we can work upon according to your requirement or understanding. So let's see, there are in this video we are working on a image which is downloaded from internet, and we'll see how to convert that image into a artwork. So let me open that particular image which I am talking about. These are the 3 images which I have downloaded from internet. I'm just using this image. It has 3 colors which is pixelated. For that I am just increasing the resolution, keeping the resolution 300, and let's see how it will look. It is looking pretty fine. So now the point is how to extract that layer. So for that I'm just increasing the contrast and bright so that it will be more easy and feasible to pick up the layer of color. So for the picking up the layer color, I am just using the magic wand tool, keeping the tolerance 30 and making the anti-alias on, and let me click once and see how the pixel will selected. So if you see closely, there are small dots which are left. So for that I have to just click similar, and once I have done with the similar, I can see that all the small dot has been covered by selection. So I'm just simply using a random color. It's a rust, mustard, whatever. I'm just using rust, keeping a new layer and just with filling the color with paint bucket. So let's see how it will look with a paint bucket filling. So yes, it's looking pretty fine. So and now let's work upon a white layer. Simple, deselect it, go on a background layer, magic wand, the same setting, 30 tolerance, anti-alias on. Again new layer, let's fill this layer with a mustard color and let's see how it will look. So just filling it, I'm not using any short command, so these are the just basic tools. So let's see how the deselect, and you can see there are fine zigzag kind of a zagging things. So let me see how to fix it. I'm just putting a new layer on a bottom of the all layers and filling the black color. So there are some more edges. So let's see how we can find. Just select the pixel where the all mustard color has been selected. I'm just expanding the selection with 1 pixel. So once we are done with the 1 pixel selection, you can see the selection has been expanded. I'm just filling with a mustard color, simple fill technique, and foreground color. So now you can see there are very less dots are coming. So let me see do the same trick with the coral layer, and I'm just expanding the selection. So let me see, simple select pixels, go in a select section, modify and expand the selection 1 pixel. So let me see how the 1 pixel will work. It is working very pretty fine. So let's fill the color with coral and simple fill and paint bucket and foreground. It is simple. So now you can see that how the artwork has been developed without using pen tool. We have not used any pen tool, we have not used any brush or eraser. It is just understanding of selection. So see, you can do your original artwork, but it just because this channel is all about technicalities. Like creativity will be yours and technicality will be ours. So we are in this channel, we are talking about the technicality, because creativity has a different dimension as per the understanding. I'm just showing you, this was the original, this we have done, this was the original, this we have done. So hope it is making clear sense to you how to develop the artwork from a normal. Like if you can draw, it's good for you. You can draw anything, any shapes according to your interest. But if you can't draw, or if you want to use the internet elements, this is the best way to use that particular element and it will be helpful for you. And now that your artwork has been ready, you can use as a texture, you can use as a motif, you can use as embroidery. So let's save the file and you can use whenever it is required. The artwork will not waste any time. So guys, hope you liking the video. If you have any suggestion or comment, just type down in a comment section and we are happy to read it. Thanks for watching. Thank you.